सा ना ना दे दे ना ना दे दे दूम दे दे ना ना दे 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 दूम दे दे ना चैतन्यं सर्वभूतानां विवृतं जगदात्मनि नादब्रह्म तदानन्दम् अद्वितीयम् दानवीर हो तुम दानवीर हो तुम करण हे करण you are the kindest of all दानवीर हो तुम करण दानवीर हो तुम करण दानवीर हो तुम करण दे दो हमें दे दो हमें कवच कुंडल गिव मी दिस कवच द आर्मर एंड कुंडल द earrings दे दो हमें कवच कुंडल दानवीर हो तुम करण दानवीर हो तुम करण दे दो हमें कवच कुंडल दानवीर हो तुम दानवीर हो तुम करण दे दो हमें कवच कुंडल हे करण you are the kindest of all give me this kavach the armor and kundal the earrings. A poor monk walks up to Karan and asks for his golden armor and earrings as Karan just finished his morning prayers. Karan, the king of Anga, a state in eastern India, was known for his moral policy that he would never refuse any request at that time of the day when he has just finished his prayers. Being the most benevolent. Now Karan was born with his armors and earring, and they were a part of his body. On the request, being the most benevolent in the entire kingdom, Karan takes out his knife, chops off his ears, and peels off the armor from his chest and gives it to the monk with a smile. As the blood drips off his body, the monk transforms into Indra, the king of gods, and walks away after blessing Karan for his honesty and courage. Now Karan was born to the virgin princess Kunti in the family of Lord Krishna. Young Kunti got a boon from her kingdom's guru that she could invoke any god and ask for anything she desired. One day, out of curiosity, if the boon indeed worked, she invoked Sun, who blessed her with a child, Karan. Scared of what would society think of bearing a child without a wedlock, Kunti immediately disowns Karan right after his birth. Kunti then goes on to marry the king of Kuru, Pandu, and gives birth to 3 of his 5 sons, known as the Pandavas. Pandavas, the 5 sons of Pandu, who later ruled Indraprastha, that you know today as my home city, Delhi. Pandu's elder brother or elder stepbrother had 100 sons, and together they were called Kauravas. Kauravas, the heirs of kingdom of Kuru in north of India. Kauravas evicted Pandavas from their kingdom, and thus began the battle of Mahabharata. But what about Karan? Where is he? डंका बजी डंका बजी चाहू और तेरी डंका बजी चाहू और तेरी डंका बजी डंका बजी चहू और तेरी रण में पछाड़ो सभी बलवान डंका बजी चहू और तेरी People are singing in your bravery, in your laurels, in all the four directions. Ran mein pachhado sabhi balwan. You have defeated all the brave warriors in the battlefield, and now you are the greatest of all. Hey Karan. डंका बजी चहुओर तेरी डंका बजी चहुओर तेरी डंका बजी चहुओर तेरी डंका बजी चहुओर तेरी रण में पछाड़ो सभी बलवान दानवीर हो तुम करण दानवीर हो तुम करण दे दो हमें कवच कोंडाल दानवीर हो. Karan grew up to become the greatest warrior of all time. Now unaware of his identity, his real parents, he joined his friend Duryodhana, one of the Kauravas, to fight against Pandavas, his own younger brothers. His armor and earrings had made him immortal, and Indra, the king of gods, takes away both of them to assist Pandavas just before the battle. Now, Karan stands in front of the Pandavas in the battlefield all by himself. He defeats all the four brothers in no time to face Arjuna, his arch rival. Both had vowed to kill each other. Karan and Arjuna's spectacular battle begins, and even gods appear to witness the incredible and intense display of the great archery. Suddenly, Karan's chariot, its wheel, gets stuck in the mud. And Karan asks Arjuna to pause while he fixes his chariot. As per the rule of the battle, you do not attack unarmed. Arjuna stops. Karan gets down to fix the wheel of his chariot. Meanwhile, Lord Krishna, who was steering his cousin Arjuna's chariot, reminds Arjuna of his goal, the humiliation, the killing of his son by Karan. And before Karan could fix his chariot, Arjuna, with eyes filled with tears of pain and anger, fires the fatal shaft at desperate Karan and chops off his head. Karan, the bravest of all, the bravest warrior the universe had ever seen, and the eldest brother of Arjuna, perishes. The eldest brother that Arjuna didn't even know. Karan, in Indian history to this day, remains a brave hero, a courageous spirit who braved impossible odds throughout his life and died with extraordinary courage, valor, and honor to his own brothers. That's my story. Thank you.